Good morning, everybody. We've just woken up from a very, very, very cold night in Van. We travelled up from ours yesterday to Lake District, which is about 7 hours. It took forever, and we got to late last night. We had a good snooze, and now we're ready to go, aren't we? Just need to brush our teethies, and then we're going to spend the day in the Lake District. Our plan is a 3-hour walk, some beautiful waterfalls, some caves, and just exploring. Yeah. Hopefully it's not too cold today, but from last night it's freezing. So we'll take you along. See you there. It's not cold. This is Kat from the edit, because Nick and I did a really horrible job at explaining where we were going, and what was going on. So this is I think it's about 6 miles, the full loop, and it says it's 2 hours, but it took us much longer. Now, it could have been the cold weather, it could have been because I was stopping every 5 minutes at Maori, or just the fact that we are slow walkers, which I don't think is that, because we normally are quite fast and always end up being faster than Google Maps. But anyway, it took us longer than that. It took us about double that. Now, we started at the very top in Elterwater. We just parked at the side of the road as close as we could to the river entrance. The river entrance you're about to see in 2 seconds, where Pickle is getting some treats. We then walked along the side of the river where we saw the sheep until we got to Skelwith Bridge. So we stopped at Skelwith Bridge for a few seconds, got our bearings, and then not even a minute later, you will notice in the video that we landed up at Skelwith Falls Waterfall, which was the very first waterfall you'll see in the video, and it is beautiful. We then carried on walking through many different fields, lots of sheep, which we didn't actually meet until much later, until we got to the Elterwater Park guest house, and that's where they had the self-serve little cafe and ice cream bar. We then walked to the next farm where it says path, but that's actually the Colwith Falls waterfall. I don't know why it says path. Anyway, that was the second waterfall, and it was a much larger waterfall. It was beautiful, and that's where we stopped to have lunch. We then made our way to the Cathedral Cave, which was the showstopper of the day, and then through Little Langdale all the way back to Elterwater where we started. Honestly, if you are in the Lake District, it is a lovely walk. It's not really a difficult walk. There's a few steep pieces, but as a whole, I would love to do it again. Banging! Right, now we are back at the start where I said we will be. Enjoy! Oh, he's fired! Hey? Excuse me. Let's go. We're not going into the wilderness. Where are we? No, you know the name of this place.
Somewhere in the Lake District.
You don't know the actual name?
Walking towards a waterfall. Skelwith.
Oh, that's very descriptive.
I don't know the name of
For
it.
anyone who wants to come, park up on the side and follow the lake. Come, Picky. We're going. It is very beautiful, but also very cold. And Nick is braving it without a beanie. Crazy. crazy. Wow, wow, wow. Absolutely beautiful. Shall we get one more look before we move on? So beautiful. And we're in a new area. Ooh, muddy. And it's damn cold. Damn cold. But beautiful. And still doesn't stop this guy from getting wet and covered in shite. Not Nick, the dog. Do you have anything to add other than the fact that you're missing your beanie?
No.
Which you clearly are. Yeah. How cold is it?
How cold it is.
It's freezing! Oh my god. How? This guy's balls of steel. I'll tell you what, 5 layers and I'm still frozen. And this guy, thighs out. You are not going in the water, sir. It's too cold. Is that just sheep? They look bigger than sheep.
Some form of sheep.
Are they wearing coats? So beautiful. Wow, wow, wee, wah. If anyone has been to Linton and Lynmouth, anywhere near Watersmeet, this is reminding me so much of it. Or even Arlington Court, and I am the biggest fan of both those places. I'm saying this reminds me of Linton and Lynmouth and Arlington Court. Views for days. So beautiful. And that thing? Pickle. Literally just put the phone down and yeah, we are. Another beautiful view. Literally, there's the bridge we're at. Stunning. Little waterfall. Beautiful. We've come across a little self-service cafe. Very cute. Cute.
Hi there.
Let's go see. Self-service ice cream. It's just too cold. Cute. Let's see what we found next. Homemade flapjacks. Nick loves a flapjack. That's where we are if anyone's interested. Elterwater Park guest house. And on to the next one. Where are we on the way to, Mr. Angrave?
Waterfalls.
Where?
Waterfalls.
I thought we were going to a bridge.
Well, there's a bridge there, but there's a waterfall.
Oh, that's where we're going. See you there. The sharp contrast of when we started. Pickle was beautiful, clean, fluffy. Now look at him. Pickle. Pickle. You dirty boy. At least he's having fun. Whoop. Now the excitement begins. Good boy, Picky. It's a clever Pickle.
Now destroy.
My stick. It's my stick. Don't touch my stick. I love my stick. Right, see you later. Look at cute little guys. So cute! And there's another gate. That's where we are. No, I know it looks very similar to where we've just been. I mean, it's still beautiful. But it is a different place, I can promise you that. We have been walking for an hour and a half, so well, I bloody hope it's a different place. We're not quite halfway yet. But we will be stopping for lunch soon because it is 1 o'clock. And I'm starving. Go on, Picky. Alright, I'll put away. Don't want to bore you. I'll pick you back up if something exciting comes along. Like I promised, there's something more exciting. Ooh. Stunning. Hello, beautiful. We just left the waterfall and now we're going up. I like this little mossy stuff. I don't know what it is. I'm still gonna go with moss. It's cool. But we gotta get up there. Imagine us when it's foggy. Must look so cool. Pickle's loving it as usual. See what's at the top. There it is. on to the next. Maybe some more. Wow! This is the other side that leads to the waterfall. I honestly could just sit here and listen to that. I think I'm going to stay here for lunch. It's so nice. A little picnic spot. Let's see if Pickle's going to behave while we eat. Rightio, we've just finished lunch and we're on our way to the last attraction. Nick's gonna rate lunch. Yeah.
Solid 7.
7?
What I have every day.
I would also say about a 6-7. If anyone wants to know what we had for lunch, I made us sandwiches. And Nick had a salted caramel chocolate bar, and I had sour worms. And Pickle had nothing. Because dogs don't eat lunch. Hi, Piggy. But he's grazing now. Anyway, off to the last attraction, which is Cathedral Cave. Dum dum dum. Look how beautiful this tree is. It's like covered in moss. Is that the right word for this stuff? Is it moss? Wow. We shall chat again when we're at the cave, or if something more exciting comes up. Toodaloo! Pickle, come here! I was filming the sunshine, but anyway. We got a meerkat. A very, very, very dirty meerkat. Sun is shining. And off we go. Someone tell us, is that snow at the top of the mountain? You're unsure.
Of course it is.
5 minutes ago you were questioning it, and now you're saying, of course it is.
I was surprised that there was a mountain so tall.
And we're nearly there, according to Nick Maps. Holy guacamole, the system. We shouldn't be too far now. Alright. I guess we're doing this. Oh God, how did Nick go through here? Nick? Must I come? Oh, it's so dirty, boo. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Why? Ugh. Okay, we're just gonna have to embrace it. Let's do this. Good boy, Pickle. Go back to Daddy. Oh, this is scary. Why is Nick so brave? Why am I touching this? Oh, Piggy, give me your balls, please. You brave boy. I'm going to be honest, that was a really old man. I don't know how he did this. Oh my golly god. Assistance! Double assistance! That's what I talk about. Wow. Very cool. Yeah. Cool. Let's go see what else we can find. Beautiful. Holy guacamole! It's huge! Wow! So we came from there, that little hole down there, when Nick helped me up. And there's the cathedral cave. Pickle! Oh, you're there. Wow! Stunning. This is stunning. Wow. Let me show you how big it actually is. It's huge. It's incredible. Right, that was nerve-wracking. It looked like we were up there a second ago. We've climbed down there and now we're hopefully entering the cave. Let's see. Hallelujah. We were up there screaming through and now we are stunning. I can't actually capture how huge this cave is, but this is even more impressive than the caves that we saw in the Philippines, which is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. And Nick just got into the water. Pickle. Now it's Pickle's turn to go in the water. Oh my god, we would have been stuck there. Nick and I were trying to find a way to come through, yeah. And there was a cave, I don't know if I showed you, that was flooded with water. Anyway, it comes through there, so we would have been stuck anyway. We had no choice but to climb down. So worth the climbing and the cave. It's beautiful. If we walked around, we could have just come through this one. Far easier than the mission that we did. But Nick likes to keep me on my toes. And off we go. We're going to find another entrance. Definitely not as scary as the other way around that we did. Ooh. Hey friends. Oh, shiny. You're scared of Picky. You're scared of Picky. Bye. Bye. You're coming to say goodbye. Nick, they will follow me. Goodbye! Snowdrop season! How beautiful! Guys, these are the sheep things that we saw earlier, and I couldn't say if it's a sheep or not, but it is! It just looks like a big husky! Hey! Hello, Fluffs! Look at him! Definitely a sheep. Looks good with these farm animals. And just like that, we're back where we started. It's only taken us about 3-4 hours, but it was lovely. Now we're going to go visit my auntie Connie. She lives about an hour away in Lancashire, and we're going to have some tea there. Apparently we are having a braai, which delicious. Can't wait. But first we're going to have to do something about this filthy guy, because he ain't going to be allowed in the house. We'll see you there. Toodaloo. Braai on the go. Beautiful garden. And look at the sunset. Oh, I'll show you on the other side. But it is stunning. Wow.